All right, now we're going to do the vocabulary section of our worksheet. So we're going to copy down the 5 bold words from the passage and use context clues to define them. So context clues means the words around them. So I went ahead and I was nice enough for you guys that I typed the words here, 5 words. And then I highlighted them, the corresponding yellow color here, so you can find them easily in the story. So maps are drawn from an overhead view of an area. Based on this sentence here, what does overhead mean? And you're going to type that right here. Now you're going to do the same with this word, features. Most maps have special features that they show. So based off that sentence, what does features mean? Whoop. Oh goodness. Okay. Maps have pictures of different objects to explain what is on the map. So what does objects mean in that sentence? I'll type it down here again. Somewhere along the side is a key. Now this one, you might have to read the sentence following it. It is a box explaining what each picture on the map means. So using those 2 sentences, what does key mean? And then finally, our 5th word, a map also has a compass. A compass has 2 lines that look like a plus sign. On the end of each line is a letter. Each letter shows a direction. So based off those sentences, what does compass mean? Now I want these to be in your own words because as you guys should have done, you should have taken a pre-vocabulary test to see what the definitions of these words were before you read the story. So now that we've read the story, I want to see how accurate your definitions are based off of our context clues. Good job, guys.